Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how you can have two bots play against each other in chess.com. Now, to begin, of course, you need to be signed into your account, and once you're logged in, you are going to open two tabs. You have two tabs for the same account. Now, before we begin, I need to tell you up front that there is no feature like this in chess.com. The only way we can do this is to manually do it. So how do we do it? Of course, on your first tab, hover your mouse on play, click on play bots. Once you are here, you want to choose black for the player and white for the bot. So let's do that, right? And choose the bot you want to play against, and then click play so that the bot would move first. So as you can see here, the bot moved first, and then go to your second tab and do the same. Click play, play bots, and here, okay, let's just end this game, right? So we need to start a new game, make sure that the bot is black, right? And if we click play, right, it's going to be our turn, which means we just mirror what the bot did on our first game. So do this. There we go. And just mirror what the bot did for this game to this game. So bishop, right? There you go. And then just do the horse, right? So that is how you get to play two bots at the same time. It's pretty much doing the same thing on two games, and you're mirroring the bot from the other game. So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.